everybody. Good morning and happy Success Saturday. This is Mary Beth Angelelli. Just wanted to upload a short video for you today just to show you and continue to share with you what's possible when you plug into this amazing system. We just follow a simple step-by-step process. You'll have full access to a blueprint and literally all the training you need to be able to have success online. What I do is I promote 4 different done-for-you digital products. This one here happens to be our most popular. It's the premium $600 level digital product. And yesterday I had another $600 customer join because of my automations. Okay, it's a beautiful process. As you can see, here it is. This is me. Here's my name. There's the date right here, 16th of February, 2024, and $600. But you know what? This isn't about me. I want to share with you more continued results that the team is having, all made possible because of our amazing community. Our digital growth community is bringing all this success made possible for members all around the world. Yes, indeed, this is a worldwide opportunity. So I got a super exciting email that popped in. So we're going to move over here right now. But this is, you know, what's possible. This was another $600 day that I had. So we're going to just continue onward and upward. And here is the email. 2 notifications since 1:52 a.m. February 17th. Check this out. Okay, I can't make this up. Okay, look at this. This is as real and authentic as it gets. Look, we had a team member, $600 customer. Okay, congrats. Another team member got a $600 customer. Okay, congratulations. So this happens to be our most popular digital product package because you get to resell all 4 digital products within the system and keep 100% of the profits. So there you go, folks. I am going to take you now briefly inside of the community just to show you more continued wins, okay? This is just to provide you with encouragement and inspire you because you can see what's possible. And, you know, the beauty here is that it doesn't require any special skills. There is no special education required. You do not need a college education, college degree. You don't even need a high school diploma. You don't have to have any tech skills. You don't even have to have a social media following, okay? So we're going to hit on community and we're going to go to wins, okay? And let me just show you what is going to pop up. Okay, so this is recent. Look at this. I did it. 1 huge sale in plus minus 3 days. Okay. And here is another member who had a $600 blessing right here. Okay. Here's a ding from my husband. Elated to announce that my husband purchased the product today. Watched how I went on about the system and loves how I explain it to him. We both do it now. Okay, so they're going to have double the fun and obviously double the profits. So this team member, 150 plus 300, so that's a 450. Another $600 customer for this member right here. Okay. Husband and wife have been watching me for 4 months. They are my perfect customer, and I am so excited for both of them. And also, I'm excited to let you know that we teach you and show you how to go out there and find your perfect customer. And that is so important because this enables you to catapult your results for success. Because when you understand who your perfect customer is, this allows you to create content that is relevant to your perfect customer, content that your perfect customer can resonate with, and this will help to enhance and increase your conversions. When your conversions increase, that's more bottom line profits, more $600 instant payments coming to you. Okay, look, this member had a $1,200 day. Okay, I am manifesting $1,200 days all weekend. So grateful for this business. Okay, getting close to 4 figures. I'm at $815. I'm getting so close to $1,000, and that is one of my small goals. So extremely excited. Look, here's another member, woke up to $600. How did he wake up to $600? Because of his automations. That's how I had another $600 day yesterday, because of my automations. We teach you exactly how to set up your system, step by step, to run on automations. It's going to work for you 24/7, 365, around the clock, where all you're going to be doing is simply creating content and sharing your website. And you're going to then take your prospects on a journey of the know, like, and trust. And when they're ready to buy, they will go ahead and buy. As you can clearly see, folks, all these wins that we are having. Look, more wins right here. More comments on their videos, crushing micro goals, turning into big wins, $300 after the webinar. We had an awesome webinar yesterday, let me tell you, and I already uploaded it to my channel, so I do highly encourage you to check it out. It's super exciting. I'm even going to drop the link below in the description, but I just literally uploaded it. Retire with Mary Beth is my channel. So go ahead, like this video, give it a thumbs up if you do, and then go ahead and smash the notifications bell, and this way you will become one of my new subscribers, and every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Okay, so if you're seriously looking at this, I do encourage you, check out that webinar replay. It was so exciting. It was jam-packed. Literally, we had a jam-packed house. Okay, and look, see, there I am. I posted right here my $600 sale. Had a new customer come through my automations and purchase today. He has been watching me for a little while. See, he's been watching my content that I create. And I am super consistent, folks. And it's all about consistency. And we teach you everything inside of this community, inside the digital products. And this way you can have days just like this, folks. Okay, and you happen to know that this $600 a day, once you grow your business through your email list, through your automations, you're going to be able to start having a predictable income, and $600 days equals $219,000 a year potential. Okay? And he finally took action, and he's so excited. Okay? Look at this, TikTok newbie. This is a platform that we use, and so many of us are using it with great, great success. Okay? A $1,050 day on the beach of Jamaica. How did this member have a $1,050 day on the beach of Jamaica? Because of automations. Look, $1,800 yesterday. Guys, I didn't even work the 2 hours today, and I'm in awe, well on vacation with my family. Stop overthinking, okay? Look at this. And this hopefully is going to, just build your confidence and your faith that we have a winning system and a winning community. Our training works. We follow a simple 2-hour workflow, simple step-by-step process, and you're going to have access to this community as well as our blueprint. And I am so excited for everybody. Okay? So my contact details are below. Look at this. They got an upgrade. Even if you can't start at the $600, folks, you can upgrade and pay the difference. That's another option. Look, another $300 tonight. First customer, $600. I finally got my first ding. I think you get the gist of this. I hope you get the gist of this, folks. I have been making these videos for so long, sharing more continued proof and results that this is a winning system, a winning community, and digital products in the e-learning industry currently is $1 billion a day business. Forbes magazine already has made predictions by the year 2027. We're going to be upwards of over $1 trillion a day. We have very high demand products, and that is what you want. That when you're looking for an opportunity, you want products that are in high demand. E-learning industry, super duper high in demand. You want an automated system out there working for you 24/7, doing all of your telling, selling, and explaining so you don't have to. You want one that's doing your follow-ups, and you want it running on automations. That's how we are having explosive growth and tremendous success. And then, of course, you need good value-based products, because you need something that is going to equip you with the skills so that you can be out there earning and learning. That is vital. And that's exactly what we have. You want something simple, something beginner friendly. This is simple. This is beginner friendly. Like I say, no special skills. You don't have to be a techie. You don't even need a high school diploma or a college degree. You don't even need a social media following. You don't even need an email list. We will show you how to build from the ground up, literally from zero, from scratch, and how to build your social media presence, your social media accounts, and your social media following, and how to build your email list. Everything in the digital space from A to Z you will have access to, and you will be able to learn. So you can go out there and kill it too. Look, touchdown, $1,200. Okay? Carpool to school just got better. $600 ding on the way to drop my baby off to school. That's the way to start the day. Cheers to the weekend. I love it here. See, we're out there. We're living our busy lives. We are, having fun. We're obviously prioritizing with our family, but we can have a automated business working for us, allowing us the opportunity and ability to make daily pay. $600 a day, $1,200 a day. Now, starting off realistically, what if you just made $600 a week, an extra $600 a week? What exactly would that do for you and your family right about now? I can almost guarantee you that it would help you out in more ways than one. And then as you build your business, your email list is going to grow because you want to be showing up every day, staying focused, staying committed and consistent, and putting in your 2 hours creating your content. We're going to show you exactly how to do that, how to create content, what type of content to create that works, that converts, and how to find your perfect customer, and so very much more, so that you can be living this freedom lifestyle too, folks, and doing what you need to do for your family, with your family, and still have a profitable business working for you behind the scenes where you can start to earn a predictable, reliable income through the power and potential of this system with your automations. This is a super high converting system. All I need you to do right now is go to my website. The link will be below. Again, do check out that webinar. It's so exciting. Jam-packed house, folks. And you can hear more testimonials, see more proof of the people from different backgrounds. We have such diversity in this community. So many people from all walks of life, all backgrounds, all around the world. We're global, folks. And by the way, no, don't have to worry about oversaturation whatsoever. There's over 4.8 billion people alone on social media, okay? So, folks, this is where it is at. Right now, head on over to dailypaywithmarybeth.com and just enter your email address. And then, look for my first email. It's going to say, here is your blueprint. And check it all out, folks. Watch the presentation. Watch the webinar. Any questions if you're serious, text or call me. If you are serious, this is something that you see a fit, go ahead. Any remaining questions, just text or call me. I will be here and I'll help you every step of the way. I've been doing digital marketing, folks, for years. It's brought me great success. It's forever changed my life and my family's life, and I'm here to help you. I'm somebody who's qualified to help you to change your life and change your family's life in 2024. So if you're seeking more in 2024, you are in the right place at the right time. I'm so excited for you. I'd love to hopefully see you soon and welcome you into our wonderful digital growth community. See you on the inside. You know where to go, dailypaywithmarybeth.com. You may need to type it in to your browser. Just a good valid email. Hit yes, send me the blueprint. You know what to do, and I'll see you soon on the inside. Make it a great day. Have a wonderful weekend, and much blessings to you too.